More than 15 years.
Canaan have a very good in accommodate the need of the customers. We can collaborate very well. Canaan also can translate our need into very useful and very good design for the machinery that we need.
Very good, very fast, and very effective.
So far in my experience, the service and support is very responsive. Canaan can solve our problem and then we can deliver the project on time. Yes, I think we still have a lot of project to do. We still have a lot of need. And I think until now, I can use as a very reliable partner for all of my project. Not one, I think I have two words. Yes, seamless transformation. I think Canaan have a transform very fast, very good and seamless. So every step of the transformation they are doing is very well, and we can look at the machine they are making. The machine now is very good standard, very good appearance and very good performance. That's all.